what's going on, everybody? Welcome to today's vlog. Today we are doing something very exciting, very special. Today we are gonna go over to the design center for my home. So we're gonna be picking out cabinets, carpeting, flooring, the kitchen island, all that good stuff for my house. I'm very excited. So I'm gonna be meeting up with my realtor over in that office. He's gonna help me kind of like evaluate what's worth getting and what's not. So I'm super excited to do that. I've had a crazy morning, which I will get into later, but I'm gonna bring in my phone just to record some things if I can record anything, and trying to show you what is going on. So this is gonna be a 2-day vlog. Today's Wednesday, and then I'm gonna give you guys a Thursday vlog as well, just because today I just have a crazy amount of work. I just finished up some work in the early morning right now. And then right now it's about 1 p.m. I gotta go to my mom's to clean some things up, because again, I have a story to tell you about that. But we're gonna wrap things up and we're gonna go to the office after that and take a look. So welcome to the vlog. Like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get this doing. Alright guys, so we're back at home. It's been a long day. So far, I basically decided on the electrical portion of what I wanted for the house. What we're doing is the J-box, which is like basically where you're able to install a ceiling fan or pendant lighting. But what I decided to do for my house is add the J-boxes for the kitchen, so I can add some pendant lightings like these right here. So that's what I did. The rooms, so my master room and then the other 2 guest rooms already come with that, so that's awesome. There's recessed lighting across the not entire house, but for the entire downstairs portion of the house, and then the hallways and the bathrooms, not in the rooms, which is totally fine because just go get a lamp. Hello. So that's basically what I'm gonna be doing with that. And as far as kitchen and flooring, I want to show you guys that exactly. I did decide on that with my realtor today. We did decide to upgrade the kitchen a little bit and the flooring, but I want to show you exactly which one I picked out tomorrow, because I'm gonna go back tomorrow to basically finalize all of that. Okay, all right, now next story time, because this guy, yeah, you can notice how like it's kind of empty and kind of clean here. Yeah, because this guy had a literal shitstorm and he had diarrhea everywhere this morning. So I woke up early. I woke up because I heard Uki crying. My girlfriend heard it too. She got out of bed. She went to go check on him and she said it smelled awful. So I went up there and it smelled awful, god awful. It took all damn day to get the smell out, but he literally just everywhere, just straight doo-doo. And yeah, look at him. But I got it cleaned out. He basically had diarrhea everywhere. So we're not talking about like just chunks of poop, we're talking about straight liquids. And he got it on the back of the wall, he got it on the floor, he got a little bit on the couch. Cleaned it all up, but it was a freaking mess. And I think this happened because I took him to the beach a couple days ago and he was drinking the salt water, the ocean water, so I think that upset his stomach. So it's like catching up to him now. But after a whole lot of rounds of diarrhea, he's better now. But that was my morning. So stressful morning. And then I finished up a bunch of work, had a few meetings and coaching calls that I did earlier today, but I'm so tired right now. I've been working for most of the day, been out and about for most of the day, so this is the end of my day today. But we're gonna continue on this vlog for tomorrow, so I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Yo, welcome to the next day, everybody. What is good? Happy Thursday. It is Thursday, yes. It is much later in the afternoon. This morning I took Oogie on his dog training, which it felt short, but I took up the whole hour, so that was fine. He did a really good job. He is sleeping in this crate right now. That whole area is clean. Today, Thursday, is more of like my visuals catching up day to see like what else do I need left over, visualizing what are my future plans for the business and things like that, kind of analyzing things, getting the juices flowing, my creativity flowing, and making sure that I don't miss anything, and just setting my pace for next week, right? So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are usually my bulk days of the week that I'm like working like directly on the business, and Thursday, Fridays are more like visual, or not visual, visions, looking into the future, things like that, and game planning. So That's most of what I'm doing today. I'm gonna be heading to the gym after I have a 4:30 meeting, coaching call meeting. I have that, and then heading to the gym. We got squats and bench, but let's get this through. Let's get it through the day. It's hot in California right now. It's like 80 degrees. So we're getting, actually it's 80 degrees, but there's overcast, it's cloudy, and there was actually some drizzle. So we got some Texas, Florida weather going on right now. So I don't know what's going on, but I'm wearing a short sleeve because it's hot.
And then moving upstairs. So this is where some of our home buyers, they may choose to add some more electrical on.
Okay.
And so downstairs, you had recessed can lighting included. Upstairs in the bedroom, what you will get included is a junction box. You're going to be getting an upgraded carpet, and you get a choice of 2 different colors with each color scheme.
Okay.
And in your bathrooms upstairs, you would have a tile. Okay.
So it wouldn't be this.
Correct. Okay, yes, so you'd have a tile there, and then the only area you'd have the vinyl is the laundry room.
So I'm picking out my kitchen layout. So this is called, you said Bengal white, right?
Bengal white, correct.
And then this is the backsplash. This is the cabinet, and this is my bathroom counter, right? Okay, so going with this, and I think I'm gonna go with this backsplash color. I think that's gonna be pretty good. Yeah. So that's a choice for that. Yeah, me and my realtor, when we looked at what is it, Plan 2? Plan 2. When we walked in, we were like, oh my god, wow, this looks really good.
It is really pretty, huh?
So this one is called Mineral, and this is the choice of flooring I'm gonna go with. Super nice. Love that. All right guys, so we are done. We are complete. We've picked out all of our options for the house with flooring, the kitchen. I'm super pumped. I'm super excited for this house. I want to thank everybody who has been a part of this journey. Thank you to everyone, bro. And I'm so thankful for my own business. This was been a lot of work. Now we gotta wait. We gotta be patient. And we gotta wait for this all to be built. But I'm just super blessed, super grateful. Thank you for everyone who supported the channel. You've all been a part of this, and just amazing. It's still surreal to me. All right, ladies and gents, my day is finally over as far as work-wise. We're gonna head over to the gym and get some motherfucking gains. Oh, dude, my skin looking pretty in this light. Okay. Look, see, it's cloudy, but it's really hot. It's still kind of hot. Squats, bench, that's about it. Accessories, trying to get big. That's the game plan. And we'll see you guys at the gym to go over some things. Ladies and gentlemen, you know what time it is. It is pre-workout time. Do I need it? Probably not. Do I want to use it? Every time. Every time. Is it helpful? 100%, always. Let's get this work. I'm tired, but we're gonna get it. We all saw that squat, right? That's 160 kilograms, but 353 pounds for 5 at RP 8. Very happy with my technique and execution today. Everything was on point. My hinging, my foot placement, my bracing, all on point, so I'm happy with that. For those wondering, right now I weigh about 70 kilos or about 155 pounds. I usually compete in the 148, so I'm not very far away from my weight class. So I'm pretty good, feeling good. Finishing up my back offsets, and then I'm gonna bench and then do some accessories. that is the end of my workout. It's been a long workout. It's like 9 p.m. right now. I got here at 6, so about a 3-hour workout. Pretty solid. Did I do math right? Yeah, pretty sure I did my math right. So pretty solid day. A lot of big wins today. My bench, I mean, I'm repping 100 kilos or about 220 pounds for reps now, and I still have more in the tank, so that's freaking awesome. I'm really happy about that. You guys might see my vlogs and see my workouts and be like, okay, if you're doing like the same thing all the time, well, that's what training is. A lot of times it's just doing the same thing for an extended period of time, but not all the time, but for like a certain amount of time, and then getting consistent at it and getting better at those same movements, and that's how you progress and grow and get stronger. And that's really with anything, it's just the consistency is the key, because if you're always changing your factors all the time too frequently, you're not going to consistently make progress. So it's better to do something for, you know, like a block of time and then change it up for the next block, etc. But you have to keep some consistency through. So that's some tips for your fitness, but also for your life and your business. So I'm done. I'm gonna go home. So tired. I'm wiped out. I'm gonna get some sleep. I'll see you guys. I might vlog Friday and I might vlog Saturday, because Saturday is when I'm actually going to like finally pick out everything for my house, and I want to show you exactly what I pick out. So I am going to see what happens in the next one. I might not vlog Friday. I might just vlog on Saturday when I actually go to the office and finalize my options for the house. So have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next day, or whenever the next day is.